Hi students, how are you? Hope you all are fine. In our previous lecture, we have started our topic heterotrophic modes of nutrition. In that topic, we have discussed about parasitic nutrition and saprophytic nutrition. In our today's lecture, we are going to discuss about symbiotic nutrition. That is basically shown by symbiotic plants. Now the question arises, what are symbiotic plants? See, for example, lichens are symbiotic plants. And lichens are what? Composite organisms. That means they have two partners. See here, lichens are having two partners. First is algae and second is fungus. So we can say that lichens are having two partners. One is algae and second one is fungus. And here they both are dependent on each other. As we know, algae are what? Autotrophs. That means they can prepare their own food. And here they will food for themselves as well as for fungus. They will provide to fungus what? Organic food. And we also know that fungus is what? A decomposer. So, the main feature of fungus is that it can absorb minerals and water from the dead and decaying matter on which they are living. And they will pass on these minerals and water to whom? Algae. That means both are dependent on each other. Algae is providing what? Food to the fungus, whereas fungus is providing minerals and water to the algae. That means we can say that they are living together for their benefits. They are dependent on each other. From here we can come to know about symbiotic plants. So you can say that symbiotic plants definition can be this way: the living together of two different species of plants as if they are the parts of same plants and help each other in obtaining food is called symbiosis, and such plants are called what? Symbiotic plants. Okay, I repeat, symbiotic plants are those plants that depend upon each other for their food. So they live together as if they are the parts of the same plants. Now, what is symbiotic nutrition? The mode of nutrition that is basically shown by whom? Symbiotic plants to obtain their food is known as what? Symbiotic nutrition. Okay. Now, another example of symbiotic plants is rhizome, legume plants, where rhizobium is what? A bacteria that survives in the root nodules of leguminous plants. Now, what are leguminous plants? Leguminous plants are like pea plants, beans. Here, the rhizobium bacteria lives in the root nodules of leguminous plants, and this bacteria is capable of doing nitrogen fixation. That means this bacteria provides nitrogen to the leguminous plants. So we can say that the rhizobium bacteria provides nitrogen to the leguminous plants that helps in their growth. Whereas leguminous plants provide what? Shelter to the rhizobium bacteria as it lives in the roots of the leguminous plants. So, I write, one we are having rhizobium bacteria, second we are having what? Leguminous plants. Rhizobium bacteria provides nitrogen to the leguminous plants, and in return leguminous plants provide shelter to the rhizobium bacteria. Okay. Now, second nutrition for the day is insectivoric nutrition. My dear students, this type of nutrition is basically shown by whom? Insectivores. Now, what are insectivores? Insectivores are what? The organisms that eat insects as a part of their diet are called what? Insectivores. And the mode of nutrition used by insectivores is known as what? Insectivoric nutrition. Now, how the insectivores are able to catch the insects? To catch insects, they are having special body structures. Like here I have drawn one example for you, that is of teacher plant. What is the speciality of this teacher plant? This teacher plant is having a pitcher-like structure to catch the insects. Also, one more speciality of this insectivorous plants is that they are capable of performing photosynthesis. That means they can prepare food for them, but they depend upon other plants for minerals. Okay, so this is all about our today's lecture. Today we have learned about what? Symbiotic nutrition and insectivoric nutrition. So your today's homework is explain symbiotic and insectivoric nutrition. So students, have a nice day.